Renumbering bid items in HeavyBid is easy to do. Obviously, I can't come up here and actually change a number. It doesn't work like a spreadsheet. So I have to go into another function, and that is an edit, renumber, and then renumber bid items. Now there's several ways I can do this. If I just want to renumber one bid item, I just have to put in the number, and I don't have to have anything shown here for the new bid item for the rest of them. Now that is different from our previous releases. And then I just go to start. If I go back to renumber, you'll see here that it's now bid item 15. Now important thing is what it's doing is copying it and then deleting the old one. So anytime you renumber, you have to have everyone else out of the estimate. Otherwise you might get some conflict error messages. So be sure no one else is in the estimate when you're renumbering. Now that's one method of just coming here and just typing in the ones you want to renumber. Also, you have the options here. And let's say you import in an estimate which has bid items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you want to increment them by 10, 20, 30. You could just come in here and multiply by X, multiply by 10, and you can see here that it fills out this column by multiplying by 10, and then I just go to start, and then it goes through and actually renumbers. So there is my new numbering right there. So you see here there's a lot of options. I can increment bid items by a certain amount. So if you wanted to increment it instead of multiply, I can add X. So if I wanted to add maybe another 5 to this, I could do that right here. I can also just use same bid items, but this one really doesn't make sense anymore with this update. And you can use the same client number, or you can start like this, and now you've populated everything over here. Maybe this way you can kind of keep your numbering straight as you renumber these if you want to do it this way. Now even though you renumber, you notice it still keeps the client number here, even if I had not had this populated over here. So that is the renumber bid items. Again, just warn you to have everyone else out of the estimate before you start renumbering. It's also a good idea to back up the estimate and before you do this.